Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. I'm Colleen and today I've got my husband Dave with me.
Hello.
We're going to be doing some epoxy resin. To start with, I just thought I'd show. The one I use is the Let's Resin 1:1. Okay, so we've pre-mixed some because it takes a while. You always make sure it's very well mixed and make sure that you scrape the bottom. And Dave's going to be making a motorcycle today. So the pigments we're using is this Roleo pigments. He's picked out Tiger Orange and Graphite Black. So we're going to get things rolling for you here. So we have the two different that we're going to start dividing it out and get Dave going on this.
Get this out of the way.
Make some room for him.
Yeah. So I'm just going to pour some in each container here.
Yeah.
Without trying to make a mess. There we go. Now we'll mix in some of this Tiger Orange. Into this one. That should be enough, I think, eh?
Yep, that looks good.
Okay.
Pass me the lid.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Here's the lid.
Then you give it a really good stir to make sure it gets all the way down to the bottom.
I'm new to this, so excuse me if I screw up.
You're not going to screw up.
You never know. Wouldn't be the first time, won't be the last.
Okay, now pull it out and see what... See, that's the color that it's going to look like in the design.
Hopefully.
You will.
And now we'll do the black, graphite black. Yeah. I'm getting a little talking to while I'm doing this.
I've knocked him over, so I'm just trying to prevent him from going through the mess that I've done in the past.
That should be enough, eh?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay. I've watched a few resin videos myself, so I don't know exactly what the heck I'm doing, but hopefully I won't screw this up and make a fool out of myself.
You will not. Everything's good.
I just don't want our viewers hating me because I'm an idiot.
They won't.
That looks pretty good.
That looks good,
Yeah.
yes. So, do you want the two colors to blend together, or do you want to keep them separate?
I want to kind of...
Blend?
Yeah, I want to pour them together.
Okay, so we're not going to put glue in because we want them to blend.
Okay. Let's pour a little bit of this in. Whoops.
And then do the squidgy widgy.
Yeah, I gotta do the squidgy widgy.
As Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts says.
Yeah, it won't be squidgy. Won't be arts and crafts without squidgy widgy. See if we can layer it a little bit. See what happens. Oops, shit.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I got a potty mouth. There.
That looks good. So if you're learning something or enjoying the entertainment, we hope you like, subscribe, and share. Come check out some of our other creations as we learn, because it's always good to learn new things.
Let's try a little bit more orange, I guess. And let's fill it up with the orange, I guess. Do the last little layer of black. Orange and black always go good together. Okie dokie.
Perfect. So we will be back when this cures in about a day. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good morning. Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. I'm Dave, and we're going to do the motorcycle reveal that I did in black and orange. Let's see how it turned out. Surprisingly, it comes up pretty good. No sticky mess, nothing. Excellent. Well, there's the front. I didn't realize it had a wolf on the front of it. That's kind of cool. Just needs to be trimmed up a little bit on the bottom there. Smooth it all out. It's good to go. That's kind of cool. I like it. Well, maybe I'll do it in different colors. What do you think? Give me your opinions and like, subscribe, and Timberwolf!
We just want to say thank you for watching. Your support means the world, yes, it's true. Sending love from Timberwolf Treasures. Oh, we sing this blues song for you. Thank you.